TAO's path to 1,000, 5,000, and eventually $10,000 is beginning to take place as these lesser AI projects are beginning to merge, relying on collective branding to stay relevant, where TAO stands alone as a leader in decentralized AI. And these projects are literally proving they can become subnets. Yes, the meme where everything will be a subnet is becoming true. And then it makes me think, what is the point of investing into other AI projects when TAO effectively has 54 AI startups within its ecosystem? It doesn't make sense. So that is what we are going to get into today, and how TAO goes from 1K to 2K to 3K and beyond. So if you are a holder of TAO or just enjoy watching TAO videos, make sure you leave a like down below and subscribe, as I'm trying to reach 11K by the end of the year. And with that said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so as usual for every video, a quick reminder that this is not financial advice and for entertainment purposes only. Nothing in crypto is guaranteed and you could lose all of your money. Stay safe and do your own research. Now, before we go into the path of TAO to future price points, let's go into the journey that TAO has been through so far. So the original investors know that TAO was at 150, then went to the lows of $30. Now keep note of these crazy price movements and how the real true holders of TAO believed through all the way. Then they went from 30 to around a peak of $800. Then recently a downturn to 200, max FUD, max opportunity there. Now we're sitting comfortably around $500 per TAO. If we followed this same sort of expansion, it would probably be towards that $2,000 to $3,000 point in peak bull. And TAO, which is known as a first mover, is actually lagging right now compared to other cryptos in the market. Right, look at this compared to top 20, top 10 coins, meme coins. TAO is actually in the negative since Bitcoin has broken all-time high. So people are irritated, confused, and tempted to sell. There's a great tweet here by Baseman that goes into the typical pumping of cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, big caps, mid caps, low caps. But what if memes pump first? Right? Because it's been the best performing narrative. And in cryptocurrency, it's all about positioning yourself before rotation, whether that be Solana ecosystem, base ecosystem, AI coins, RWA coins. It's all about positioning your investment beforehand and being before a rotation takes place. Right? Even 2021 coins, these dinosaur tokens are increasing in value, like XLM. You have ADA doing 100% over the past month, XRP doing 100% over the past month. People are confused. And so most are seeing this as a sign of weakness and jumping to other projects. I am actually more bullish on the project. It's actually made me raise my target. Seeing billions being added to the market cap of these past cycle cryptocurrencies for essentially no reason at all, it's only made me raise my targets for what should be the number one AI project. We're going so much higher. And as we spoke about at the beginning of the video, the other crypto projects are merging together, further ensuring TAO's path to higher valuations. Why is this an interesting idea? Well, PalAI, we're going to do it. They backed out of it, and Dread Bongo makes a fantastic analogy here with restaurants. So if you combine 2, 3, 4 mediocre restaurants and put a new exciting name on top of it, it all of a sudden does not make it a good product. And when I think about it, if these projects are designed in a way where they can be merged or absorbed with other projects, what does that say about its inherent value? When you strip everything away, look at its offering, technology, tokenomics, community, it's not enough to stand alone on its own. Where TAO does not depend on anyone or anything. It has its own ecosystem where it's incentivizing machine learning. And so while other projects are merging, essentially disappearing from the face of the earth, Bittensor is here to stay and built with that 100-year vision. And when I talk about the path to 10K, I do not believe that will happen this cycle. I do believe it will happen the next cycle though, because when you look at the top 5, top 10, top 20 cryptocurrencies, there's so much trash here and so much waiting to be replaced. Remember when we showed the peak from every cycle, 2017, 2021 and probably the peak being 2025, the top 20 cryptocurrencies change every time. The true winners of this cycle are not here just yet. But if you were to put TAO in these positions, at 15th place, TAO would be worth 3k, 5k at 10th place, and 10k at 6th place. And it'll probably be even larger than this. We talked about the barrier to entry in terms of market cap to the top 100, to the top 10. It increases every single cycle. And finally, limited supply with unlimited potential in terms of limitation with tokenomics, 21 million, same as Bitcoin, halving schedule every 4 to 5 years, emissions cut in half. It is built to be scarce over time. Nearly every argument you see with Bitcoin scarcity on, Fred on X, YouTube video, it could be made with TAO in the future when the demand rises. Currently, it's underperforming, but that's a name and game of a bull market, right? Not everything increases at the same time. You have to position yourself with a quality, strong project, and your time will come. I believe in the future of TAO. I also believe in diversifying, right? Getting the move of the other coins. For example, meme coins have been going crazy. We made a video a month or so ago on NPC and Normie. NPC is going parabolic into price discovery. I would obviously recommend buying anyway, not financial advice, but just looking at a chart like that, I would not buy now, even if I never invested into the project. Also, Normie, with an insane comeback, touching the previous lows, went to the previous highs, now consolidating for the next move to the upside. Go and check that video in the top right. But that's pretty much it for today's video. The path to 10k, it's going, it's going to be a long one, but we're going to make it eventually. Going to check in with this project in a couple of weeks or a month or so. So stay tuned for that. But if you made it this far in the video, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.